Hello, today's November 27th, 2014. I'm Jeff Tennant. Let's go over the last call. There was a mejt target of 2071.48. I thought it was at increased risk of failing, but it did print. Based on factors outside the system, I thought we'd have a drop Wednesday, but we had a slight rally instead, so that did not work. During the day, the system said early in the day that ultimately higher prices would print. They did. It said the rally was a false move and that prices would return to this thick yellow line. They came close enough to make the prediction optional, but there is an optional target of 2068.26, most likely to print by early Monday. Later in the day, we had a rally. mejt said it was false and that prices would return to this thick line. They did, and that was a good support area. Well, we had a number of reasons to look for a drop on Wednesday, and that didn't happen. Usually when you have a number of reasons to look for a move in one direction, and you get a move in the other direction, the move has legs. Let's see if this one might have legs. This is the 5-minute chart. We had 4 days in a row where prices had a gap up without being able to close over the initial rally. We finally broke that string on Friday when we rallied late. If we hold this at Friday's open, it's pretty positive. One potential fly in the ointment is the late timing of the rally. The market held this important level until right before the close, when institutions are not going to be the ones pushing prices higher. If this is a false move, it should reverse by gapping down at Friday's open. It's possible, but I think this is pretty strong action, and we have an increase in the rally even today, Thursday. I'm not certain we're going to get such a gap down. On the daily chart, today was officially bar 13 of a sequential sell, but there has been no sell-off, and as a result, the pattern is continually recycling. The market can't ignore recycles, but it's not really a good sell signal. Tomorrow should be the 12th bar of a sequential sell on the monthly chart. Monday will likely be the beginning of the last and 13th bar. It can finish early, but this is also recycling, and you can't really rely on it. So for Friday and Monday, we have a slightly lower optional target. It doesn't have to print, but it usually is going to print, of 2068.26. But as long as we hold these gains at Friday's open, I think it's pretty positive action. I think prices will keep going up, and that's today's call.